We are cleaning a mirror. I know it's pretty self explanatory. We're going to use paper towel for mirrors and glass and the spray away glass cleaner. Little mirror trick, guys. If it's streaky and you can't get those streaks out, turn the lights off. The heat from the lamps can sometimes make the mirrors stay streaky. So turn those lights off, let them cool down for a second, and then clean that mirror with your paper towel and glass spray. When you're done, take a step back. Make sure you got all those streaks and spots. Move your head from side to side a little bit. Make sure you got any like little splashes behind the sink. And then after I'm done, I like to take that same paper towel and just polish the faucet. It's really good for polishing faucets and water spots too. Put everything back where it was, nice and beautiful. Happy cleaning.